Hello and welcome to my channel April Flower Arts. I'm Tushara. Today I'm going to share with you my recipe for a simple carrot cake. I'll show you a healthier version of the recipe wherein I'll be using whole wheat flour instead of all-purpose flour as well as oil instead of butter. So let's see how it is done. First thing you have to do is preheat the oven at 350 degree Fahrenheit or 180 degree Celsius. The next thing you have to do is to prepare the baking tray. Here I am using a 9-inch round baking tray. You can use square or even a loaf pan. I have oiled the sides of the baking tray. I have placed an aluminium foil at the bottom. You can use butter paper or parchment paper also, or simply just oil and flour the baking tray. So the next part is the dry ingredients. I have taken here 1.5 cups of wheat flour. To that I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of orange zest, which gives a very nice flavor. For the orange zest, you have to just grate or zest the outer part of the orange, just like this, so that only the outer orange color comes off. If you get the white, it will be very bitter, so take care while doing that. So just like that. So now I'll add all the dry ingredients into the flour. Just mix it well. Next you'll need the main ingredient, that is shredded or grated carrots. I have here 1.5 cups of that. Also optional, I have here some chopped almonds and raisins. You can even add walnuts. So I'll add that into this. Into this I'll add about 1 or 2 tablespoons of the flour and just mix it. So this prevents the carrots from sinking to the bottom while we make the cake. Make sure that all the carrots are well coated with the flour. After this is done, we'll see what are the wet ingredients we need. So you will need 2 eggs. To a mixing bowl, I'll just break the 2 eggs and whisk it well. You can whisk the eggs with a fork or a handheld whisk or even an electric whisk. So after the eggs are beaten very well, I'll add the remaining ingredients. That is 3/4 cups of sugar. I've used here white sugar, you can even use brown sugar, and 3/4 cup of oil. You can use any flavorless oil. Here I'm using canola oil. You can even use vegetable oil, corn oil or sunflower oil. So instead of oil, even you can use butter, 3/4 cup of that. Next I'll be adding a teaspoon of vanilla essence. And once again beat all the ingredients very well until they are very well combined. The wet ingredients are ready and the dry ingredients are ready as well. Now we have to mix them both. So to the wet ingredients, I'll be adding the dry ingredients, 1/3 of it at a time, and then carefully fold it into the mixture. After adding the flour, take care not to overmix the batter or else you'll end up with a very tough cake. So the final step is to add the carrots and again carefully fold it into the batter. So the batter for the carrot cake is ready. Now it's time to transfer it into the baking tray. Just spread it evenly as possible. Tap the tray on the counter to eliminate any air bubbles. And finally I'll add few more raisins just for decorative purpose. So I'm going to bake the cake at 350 degree Fahrenheit or 180 degree Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes. Alright, the carrot cake baked for about 40 minutes. It took another 5 minutes. Sometimes it takes 5 minutes less or more depending on the oven. So let's see how the cake looks now. This is how it looks. It's really very soft and it has got a very nice smell of cinnamon. To check the cake whether it has cooked completely, just insert a knife, and if it comes out clean like this, it means that the cake is completely cooked. Now I'm gonna release it from the sides using the knife, just like so. So before doing this, you have to let the cake cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. And just I'm gonna place a plate, overturn it. So it comes out very clean when you use aluminium foil or parchment paper. It will be very easy to take out the cake. Now again I'm gonna place it onto the rack. The cake is still hot. Before cutting the cake, you have to make sure that it is completely cooled down to room temperature. Only then you can cut the cake, or else it will crumble down. So the cake has completely cooled down, and just cut a piece and show it to you how it looks. So this is how the carrot cake looks. It's very moist and soft from the inside. So this was about carrot cake, a very simple cake to make. Since I have used oil and wheat flour, it's a very light cake. It does not have that richness, so you can have it just like a snack. If you like this recipe for carrot cake, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. So until next time, it's bye from me. Thanks for watching.